What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Float's Garage, and today we have a special guest that we need to thank for these packages right here. And she's upstairs, and I'll give you a glimpse of her later, probably after she's showering butt naked. We have an exhaust that my wife picked up for us from none other than Meisterschaft. Yes, that's right, you heard it right. The BMW M5 is getting a axle back system from Meisterschaft. Now, you would think an axle back system is right here. Your axles, you got the mufflers, boom. But they include a couple extra feet of pipes to go more back into the system. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this. I'll give you guys a time lapse and then get up and close into the details of this baby. I'm freaking excited. Let's go. Oh. Say hello to the axle back system from Meisterschaft. All right, the valved GTC system. You can see the valves. I'll turn around in a second. Meisterschaft. Technically, the axle back system, realistically, on all cars, is right here because it's behind the axles. But they include this section of piping also with this kit, which is freaking fantastic because those, not only do these pipes look freaking amazing, I mean, have you seen a prettier exhaust material? Just look at it shine. I've never seen an exhaust system shine like this before. So everything was included. I have the clamps here. You can see I put the exhaust just how it more or less is gonna fit. These I think are just extra, just in case if I have like a different exhaust setup for it to connect to the stock one, but I'm pretty sure the stock will just go right into here, but we'll get to that when we do the install video. But just let's take a closer look at these welds. Okay, the weld quality is pretty insane. The muffler is smaller, or just a little bit smaller, I believe, than what's on the car now currently. Same 3-inch piping. Here you could see how there's, you know, they have little kinks here and there, but that's just how it's designed for clearance. That shouldn't really affect flow too much. Yeah, let's get a closer look at the system here. So everybody knows these iconic valves, right? I don't have any tools, so I doubt I'll be able to take these off. Yep, no, they're on here pretty tight. But you could see the valve inside of there, right? It is vacuum actuated, just like on the original. Okay, there's the vacuum. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be sitting like this, right? So the vacuum is going to be up top, hidden. Meisterschaft, beautiful logo. Let me see. Yeah, so there you go. We could probably show you the actuator. So it is vacuum actuated, just like the original. And that valve is huge. The valve on the stock system is a lot smaller than this one. But As you can see, we have interchangeable tips. So this comes off, and you could, you know, regulate the tips. You could swap your tips out. Just a very, very, very beautiful, well designed system. Like, look at that weld right there for the valve actuator. Freaking sweet. Awesome system. So I can't wait to put this bad boy on. It's gonna be a few days or maybe a week or so before I could get the system on, because I want to do some videos of comparing basically the stock competition exhaust with my high flow catted downpipes, do a few rev clips, drive-bys, and then I can install this system and compare it properly for you guys, because there's not a lot of videos of like in depth of this system. People just have it, you know, just old videos and quality is not the greatest. Here I'm going to get you some good sound clips, guys, so you could really appreciate how much better this system makes your M5 sound. So I'll see you on the next video.